Hello everyone with you Sandelka Art. In this video I will show how to make a gentle and very beautiful gift for Mother's Day. Such work will become a stylish decoration for the house. And of course become a touching gift for a loved one. This masterclass is suitable even for beginners. Everything is done quite simply and the result is very spectacular and gentle. Let's get started. We're gonna need blue wire 3 colors. Once again, I remind you I have 1 centimeter, leaving a small tip. And wind a blue wire on a pencil. Doing 6 turnovers. This we will have 6 petals. Further squeezing and twisting the ends of the channel wire. Taking the wire off my pencil. And the end is longer. Skipping inside through the wire. And once again twisting the ends. The tip just bending down a little. It can be cut off as well. Next, all the resulting rings. Spreading and distributing. These are our petals. Every petal needs to be squeezed. And flip. Squeeze and flip. Try to squeeze them only in the middle, without touching the edge of the petal, to make the flower look more lush. Loose petals. Give our flower a beautiful shape. Slightly bend them inside. All 30 seconds and 1 flower is ready. Once again, look carefully how I do it. It's just So we need to make 39 flowers. I have 20 pieces, 1 color and 19 different color. Pour tea turn on your favorite series, and within an hour you will definitely make all the flowers. Now I proceed to tinting, taking purple color, and I will tint only light flowers. And every flower I tint differently. Well, basically the same ones won't work, but some I do straight stronger. I give them more fat colors. Paint some slightly. A little bit completely give shade. Some only in the middle. Some add tint on the petals too. Make all the flowers different. Now you have to stick a bead on each flower. I have 2 sizes bigger and smaller. Also make them different, so it will look much better. After glued all the beads and tinted, give the flower the final beautiful shape. Now we make stalks. I take 7 sticks, blue wire green, and cut them in half. next needs to be done. Beautiful bow and tie all the stalks. Watch me make bows, it's simple. Further with the same satin ribbon, tie the whole green blue wire, all stalks, just on a double knot bow will stick on top. Now I proceed to assemble the composition. I will stick flowers and stalks on that cardboard, which is inside in frame included. He is beautiful white glossy inside. Basically nothing else to invent. I will not
But you
be
can
here.
take
Any other paper or cardboard, colored with pattern, and a little fantasize. You can print wishes on the whitest cardboard, which one you want. So I already started gluing. Gluing stalks diagonally on the edges. Sheet on top, stick a bow. Now forming a circle of flowers. Flowers should be overlapping on each other, as tight as possible, but nevertheless they should be seen. Not sticking anything yet, just attaching. Little fingers help me. And then I stick all the flowers first in a circle, then inside the circle, and then on top. I will not comment anything here. Just watch. Slightly sped up the video. All the flowers are glued and I really like the result. So beautiful and unusual. But I decided to diversify the picture a little more. Such I had little postcards, just bought in a regular store. Can also be decorated with any stickers. For scrapbooking, for example, they are sold on marketplaces. You can add a photo here. You can write a wish by hand, some for memory. In general, fantasy, there is no limit. And also cool idea toppers, which are usually inserted into the cake. They can be wooden, gold, or silver with inscription. For example, happy birthday or happy birthday. Just cut one at the bottom, but stick this inscription gold. I will glue just here such a small postcard. There are a lot of them too. All sorts of different on marketplaces. Choose any. Everything is inserted into the frame and don't forget to remove the films from all sides. They are inside too. By the way, for such paintings, you can use the most ordinary photo frames, which are also with glass. Just remove the glass from there and stick the flowers. It will turn out voluminous and beautiful. Yes, of course, the dust will sit down in that case. Final unboxing and wow result. Of course, this is very unusual and no one else has this for sure. So try. I hope you have. Everything will work out. If you still have any questions, make sure to write. Ask, feel free to. With you or Sanelka Art. Successful creativity to you.